Hello guys, welcome back once again to our vlog. Today's video, as you have seen, is about our school again, which we have adopted in Himachal Pradesh in Nagrota. I love it here. This is how they are washing, and then you can see their
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid, bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Hello guys, welcome back once again to our vlog. Today's video, as you have seen, is about our school again, which we have adopted in Himachal Pradesh in Nagrota. We have started some renovations on the school because the rooms, as you see, they were very wet and full of stains and looked very dirty and cold. We have fixed some sinks with water taps because there was no sink, there was no tap, so children had to wash their hands like this open, and it would all go on their dresses and on their shoes, and sometimes they would stand barefoot, and in winters it would get really cold. So we fixed one sink with 3 taps for the kitchen so they can wash their hands and wash their plates and drink water, and we have fixed one extra sink next to the washroom so they can wash their hands there as well without getting wet all the time. I think that was very important for the school to get. We also fixed some kitchen inside for the person or for the ladies who are cooking inside, so that they have it much more comfortable now inside. Also, we have painted every room. We have painted the school from outside. We are making it completely fresh, completely new, and also we want to do some nice educational paintings for the children. There were some before, but they were like 20, 30, or I don't know how many years old, so they were already old. So we decided to do something new. We started with one cute little solar system and one world map. Still some stuff has to be fixed, the walls have to be painted, the walls outside, not only inside the school, has to be painted, and we're still looking for people who can help us paint the school, and also we're still looking for people who can help us with some funds, because still some material has to be paid and some workers have to be paid, and we are very, very happy for people who supported us till now and who helped us building up the school and renovating the place. I'm back in Germany, but Karan's sister is there to help us with everything. She's there teaching English and doing some activities with the kids as well, but she is also taking care of the renovation, so somebody's there to take care of everything, and we still need some help with the funds. So if you're able to help a little bit, we have one NGO account, so you can donate officially on our NGO account. I will give you all the details below in the description, and or if you have some questions also, you can always message me and ask me for some further information. I would really happy if we find some more people to get some more funds so that we can finish the renovation of the school. This is very, very important to me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to have it very transparent for all of you what we are doing at this school, so that you don't think like, okay, we're just, I don't know, using that money for something else. So it should be like really transparent for you to see what we are doing and how we are doing, and that's why I made also this video, not only pictures. So renovations are still going on, still workers have to be paid, and if you're able to donate a little bit, I would be very, very, very happy. And see you soon. Yeah, I hope you liked the video, and I'm super happy how this school turned out. It looks super fresh, it looks super new, and I'm very happy. Children are happy, and I can't wait to get some more paintings done as well. Again, if you have some questions, and again, thank you for watching our video. By watching also, you support us a lot, helping us with our project, with our dreams. So keep on watching, keep on commenting, keep on liking, let me know what you think. I'm always happy to read comments, messages, whatever it is, and see you soon. Bye bye.